This is the Bayou Bot crew from the University of Louisiana Lafayette. This video will be discussing the network. First off, I will begin discussing the components of our network. The first component I'll be discussing is the Ubiquiti 5 PoE Edge Router. This provides a connection signal to communicate information between the vessel and the shore. The next component is the Rocket M2. This sends and receives signal to communicate information between the vessel and the shore. We then have the Ubiquiti 2.4 GHz AirMax base station. This is an antenna specifically for boosting the signal from the Rocket M2. The last component I'll be discussing is the Ubiquiti AirMax Omni 2x2 dual polarity MIMO antenna. So this delivers a 365 degrees of wireless networking. Next, I'll be discussing the network diagram. So how is everything connecting and communicating to each other? This is an overview of our complete network diagram. The networking diagram is broken into two different sections. The first section consists of all the components that will be on the vessel, and the second section will consist of all the other components that will be located on the shore. To begin to discuss the components that are located on the vessel, to start at the top, we have the power, which is provided to the edge router from the batteries. The edge router has three components attached, which are the NVIDIA Jetson, Rocket M2, and Raspberry Pi. The Rocket M2 then sends a signal to the Ubiquiti AirMax Omni 2x2 dual polarity MIMO antenna to communicate with the components located on the shore. Now we have the components located on the shore. To begin, an outlet is used to power the edge router, the switch, and the Rocket M2. To power the Rocket M2, it has to be via the PoE/LAN supply connection. The edge router is connected to the switch via an Ethernet cable. The switch is then connected to the Raspberry Pi and the LAN. The PoE cable from the connector is plugged into the Rocket M2, where the Rocket M2 is housed in the Ubiquiti 2.4 GHz AirMax base station, also known as the sail. This provides communication signal to the vessel. Lastly, this is a video of all of our components hooked up on our vessel and on shore. The Bayou Bot crew from the University of Louisiana Lafayette thanks you for watching.